We live in the golden age of technology and data. We have self-driving cars, super-fast computers, and smart homes. But certificate management in the old-fashioned way isn't smart anymore. Paper or PDF certificates can be counterfeit, lost, and it's almost impossible to verify their history. This is where DoxyCert comes in. The idea is simple: highly secure digital certificates. We provide an immutable system that ensures the authenticity of your certificates, protection against their loss, and transparent history of their life cycle. So, how do we make them extra secure? Here's our secret sauce. We use blockchain technology, taking reliability and security to the highest level. Now, how does it work? It's simple. Choose a template, fill in the data, and there you go, your certificate ready in seconds. And yes, we also cover bulk uploads. You can use it in whatever way you need, whether it is certifying your product, artwork, business accreditation, personal qualification, or anything else. DoxyCert has you covered. Our platform allows you to adjust your certificate accordingly to your needs. It can be transferable or non-transferable, public or private. You can attach additional documents. You can revoke a certificate, and more. Plenty of features to choose from to make sure the certificate matches your needs perfectly. And verification, also as easy as it can be. Just scan a QR code or upload a file and access the certificate's details online. Don't waste your time with inefficient certificate management and start using the next generation technology today. Visit our website at DoxyChain.com and book your free trial now.